Hey everybody, I'm going to do a quick little pour. I had a bunch of leftover paint, not a bunch, but I had leftover paint from a painting class, my first painting class, and I wanted to use it up and not waste it. So I've got a little bit of this and that, some more than others, so it's going to be a rainbow of colors, I do believe. So I think I'll start with a little bit of white. Some purple. There's pink. And it's at the bottom of the cup, so I'll do some red. And finish up the orange. Got quite a bit of yellow, so I'm just going to put a little yellow in. And a little bit of lime green. So kind of a rainbow effect. And a little bit of darker green. As a primary blue. These are all deco art colors. So I did a deco art pouring class with several people, which was a lot of fun. And it's so interesting to see how different people come out with different paintings, and Greg even took the class with them. So that was fun for him because he's never done a pour before. Let me put a little red on that. And I've got some purple left. I got lots of paint here, way more than I need. And I got my puppy tray liner, but I've got some pretty stuff that has dried and I don't want, oops, I got some red splashes right there. I don't want to mess up those paint skims. Tell you what, this would be a good one to smash. Maybe I'll smash it. I'm dripping on my pretty paint. Whoop. So this is just an explosion of different colors. Way too many colors on there, but that's always fun to do anyway. And the white, these drips up because this is dry underneath, and I want to save those. Tell you what, I'm going to do another one really quick. I'm going to do one with yellow. Black. A little bit of white I have left, and I'll use more white too, but maybe just a drip of the orangey red color. A hint of it here and there. I got pretty much most of the white, but with my finger. So this is called a leftover paint pour. And to release that pressure, you poke a few holes, and that will let the paint escape. Okay, I think I'm done. I like this one. I'm not a huge yellow fan, but I really like it a lot with the black and white. You can kind of just always be confident that if you do any color with black and white, you're going to have a pretty successful pour. As long as you don't turn it to all gray. So I like this one really well. So there it is. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell on the bottom right and you'll get notifications when I post new videos. Make sure to check out the links below, PayPal and Patreon, if you would like to donate anything to the wonderful cause of purchasing paint supplies. And there's a Facebook group page that I have if you'd like to come over and join us, and you can post your pictures of things you do that maybe are inspired by me or someone else. I'd love to see your artwork. So come join me, and I will see you on the next round. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye-bye.